one of the key drivers for my interest in logistics was about the higher income returns profile. So whenever you can get a long-led, brand new logistics premise in one of the major hubs across Europe, it gives you a solid foundation for solid income returns and then allow you to buy lower yielded priced assets. And then now I'm turning to Diane because yesterday we had that discussion because she doesn't like logistics.
Which is not totally true. It's just where you put the cursor of high yielding.
Well, so briefly, on a pan-European basis, on average, when we were buying 5 to 6% for offices, co-location, 6 or 9 years firm, you could get a 9 or 12 years firm in logistics in France for maybe 7.25 yield. So this provides us some higher income returns than to do more value-add strategy investments.
I think that's something, now I can say I'm old enough to say I saw that when I started to work in real estate, that there was always between the different asset classes a big difference in yields. And it was only in the years where everything was hype that all of a sudden also logistics became something like an office with 5% yield on that. But I was used to 9 to 12% for logistics, and now we're at the same level. So we got back, assets became placed in the market at the right level. I think logistics is not like logistics, but if I have an office in Paris, it looks different than having a logistics somewhere on the seaside where I have 4 walls, a roof, and that's it. So I think we have simply to see also that between the asset classes, the yields is certainly one point if you look at it as objectively, but I think on the other side, there is a normal discrepancy on yields from one asset class to the other. Full stop.
Yes, the question is how to finance the obsolescence of the asset. Huh?
Yeah, sure. Yes, I suppose that
And
depends on whether or not there's a view that logistics has undergone a considerable change and that it's here to stay and that those kind of facilities will remain. But
this is exactly the same debate for the region. Huh? They're always between 100 and 200, but just finance the absence of growth rate. You know? Makes sense. At the end of the business plan, you have the same return.